Folks, if we can have everyone's attention, please, we'll go ahead and proceed with the auction. $125, $150, $100 a quarter, $100 and a half, $100 and a half, $100 and a half, $100 a quarter, $100 and a half, $125, $150, $100 a quarter, $100 and a half, $100 and a half, $100 and a half, $100 a quarter, $100 and a half, $100 and a half, $190, $190, bidding, $190, bidding, $190, bidding, $190. My name is Bill Ramsey. I'm a licensed auctioneer and a licensed real estate broker. Went to auction school in 1975. Shortly thereafter, got my real estate license through Rollins College School of Real Estate in Winter Park. And since then, we've probably done 4,000 auctions throughout the country. Watch our website, bramsey.com, and that'll get you most of the auction information, liquidation information for anything we do across the country.